There's a video doing the rounds on social media where it's a tour, quite a dingy tour through the Braamfontein City of Johannesburg offices, and you just see towers of neglected building plans and files and documents, obviously very valuable documents, and obviously a large part the reason why we're having so many transfer delays and people, trying to get things over the line. Can you just explain to us how important it is that these documents, conveyancers are probably running around, creating plans from scratch because they're sitting there and nobody has access to these very valuable documents.
All the plans were left there. Million plans. That's the last figure
they're stacked on the walls.
That was stacked not even on the walls. That was stacked
just everywhere
in a basement.
Yeah.
Literally in a basement.
There was water leaking in the video. What if the damage?
That's happened. So many a times when we would apply for plans, they would say it's water damaged, it's been destroyed by fire, which now, because of the banks requiring plans prior to transfer, that's most of the banks require that now, the seller then has to provide it. Because we cannot find it at council, the seller then has to go pay anything from 20 to 100,000 rands for a new set of plans. If we can find them, some of them are damaged, some of them are old, some of them haven't been microfilmed. So it's causing delays and it's causing a huge financial burden on sellers where they have to pay 20, 40, 50, 60,000 rands for costs they never provided for.